This is the S&P 500 Spider ETF SPY one-day reading for August 12, 2024. It's currently June 26, 2024, 2:51 p.m. Eastern Time. SPY at the time of this reading is $544.97. That's USD. The shuffle video for the August 12th reading was created on June 19th, 2024 at 1:07 p.m. Eastern Time. That's the video playing for you in the lower left corner. The overall theme of behavior for SPY on the 12th, we have a sideways fluctuating rally that precedes a decline. Behavior around the high side, we have a notable peak, not a crest, but a peak that we sell off from pretty notably on a one-day chart. Behavior around the lowest low, we have a fast sudden move higher out of the low, and I'm advised to trade around an unexpected and significant move to the upside. So it looks like we opened lower in the pre-market, and we have like a rally in the pre-market that is halted by a decline through key support, taking us into a low, at least thus far. The whole purpose of the channel is to transmute some of the competitive energy of the stock market into goodwill. We do that by following the rule of karma for the channel. You go to the resources tab of our website, Tarot for Traders, and 5% of the profits from every profitable trade utilizing this information should be donated forward to one of these charities, or pick a charity of your choosing as long as you're paying 5% forward, and then 5% should be sent back to the channel through one of these links. If you're international, you can use Wise or you can use YouTube tips, and that leaves you at 90%. Make sure to spend that 90% out of love. As long as you follow those rules, you follow the rule of karma for the channel, the universe considers you an angel investor. It's going to send it back to you tenfold for following through. Blessings to all my angel investors. Let's get back into it. At the open, we have multiple failed attempts to break through key resistance. There's a period of sideways rotation in the first half hour. It's kind of like a sideways fluctuating decline, but almost sidewaysy, and it precedes a notable rally. So that works card, we probably rise there. Oh, it looks like we kind of do like a sidewaysy decline, sidewaysy rotation, but sort of to the downside into another low. It's probably similar low to the one that we had in the pre-market taking place here, the second low taking place here before 11 o'clock. And there's a notable move, like a breakout out of the low. Like in the 10 to 11 o'clock hour, the decline might actually commence a little bit more early on in the hour, but then the trough at the later part of that hour, there's a big move to the upside and probably a breakout. Between 11 and 12, we have a sideways fluctuating rally that offers opportunity to open up a short position or close a long position. More actually, it wouldn't be we would be adding to a short position that we opened here, or if we didn't open a short position on the 5th, we would be creating a short position here. This is for a day trade. So the rally starts with this breakout out of a trough before 11 o'clock and continues into the 12 to 1 o'clock hour along a diagonal trend line. That rally ends with a fast sudden move higher, taking us into a high, followed by a decline through that diagonal trend line with increasing volatility on the way down, taking us into a low for the day. We have price swings between roughly 1 and 2, and in the midst of those price swings, we see another high, followed by a sharp decline in between the 2 to 3 o'clock hour, and significant amount of volatility in the last hour of trading. However, there's an unexpected move to the upside there. In that last hour, it looks like right around the close, we have sideways rotation that ends with a fast sudden move higher, and we successfully turn resistance into support in the post market, at least temporarily. So you would close out in the last hour, like after the sharp drop, when we start to see sideways rotation, you would close out of that short position that you opened here for a day trade there. Yeah, I don't think I want to go into the 13th with a short position. So if you don't do a day trade here, or if you can't do a day trade, then avoid this trade. But you want to close out of it there in the last hour. And that's SPY. Oh, and the sneak preview for the 13th, we have an attempt to establish support on a multi-day scale, but it's nullified, indicating that we probably doesn't hold. And that's SPY for August 12th, 2024. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. As always, make sure to follow that rule of karma. You know where to go, you know what to do. Blessings to all my angel investors. I'll see you guys on the next one.